In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to underline text in DocHub. We'll walk through the process from opening DocHub to using the best available underline method based on the version you have. This is a simple task, but there are two slightly different ways to do it, so I'll make sure everything is clear and easy to follow. Start by opening your web browser and searching for DocHub. Once the search results appear, click the correct DocHub website link to open the platform. Make sure you're selecting the official site so you can access the proper tools and your documents without any confusion. When the site loads, go ahead and sign in to your account. After signing in, you'll be taken to your dashboard, where you can view your files and recent activity. From there, open the PDF you want to edit. If your document is already uploaded, just select it from your files. If needed, make sure the PDF is fully open in the editor before moving on, because the editing tools won't be useful until the file is active on screen. Now, if you have the Pro version of DocHub, the easiest option is to use the built-in underline feature. Look at the highlight icon in the toolbar near the top of the editor. There should be a small down arrow right beside it. Click that arrow, and from the menu that appears, choose Underline. This gives you a direct and clean way to underline text inside the document. If you're using the basic version instead, don't worry. There's a good alternative that works well. Click the pen tool, which looks like a pencil icon in the top toolbar. This lets you draw manually on the document. After selecting the pen tool, a styling menu should appear. In that menu, change the line thickness to a thin setting so the underline looks neat and not too heavy. Then choose your preferred color, such as black, blue, or red, depending on how visible or subtle you want the underline to be. Next, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard while you click and drag your mouse underneath the text you want to underline. Keeping Shift pressed is important because it forces the pen tool to create a perfectly straight horizontal line. That makes your underline look much cleaner and more professional than drawing it freehand. And that's all it takes. Whether you're using the Pro Underline tool or the Pen tool workaround in the basic version, you can neatly underline text in DocHub with just a few clicks.